friends, subscribers, internet strangers. What's up?
We are going to an estate sale. Are you excited?
Are you as excited as I am?
Don't let her fool you. She's not excited. She's being drugged, kicking and screaming.
Ah!
Alright, so we will tell you the story of the last estate sale, and she made a nice intro, and because you guys tell me y'all like her better than y'all like me. Damn it. And the estate sale was so massive, so massive that I could not film and carry bags and do all the fun stuff. And so today at some point, now that life is going back to normal, I will make you a video of the haul, because I'm not even, all the stuff is still in the boxes. Because I've been so busy, I never had a chance to do any of that kind of stuff. So I'll do a haul video on the other estate sale last week. We ended up falling in the street. Two Jacob's old parents laid out in the street. I slipped on the curb that was very slick going
And
out.
very steep.
And Joni had her hand on my shoulder, kind of trying to hold her balance because we were walking through the yard. And when I went down backwards, she went down frontwards, losing her balance. And so she got flung into the street, and scraped up her hands. And luckily I had a backpack on, or I would have hit my head on the concrete. So very fortunate. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. So we are going to this estate sale. It's the second day, 25% off. One of MJ sales, just a lot of electronics in this one, so that's where we're going. We thought, hey, y'all want to come with us, so hey, let's go. Another edition of Let's Go Through Some Dead People Stuff. This one's gonna be for sale soon, so if you need it, there's the sign. Nice looking house. This is where all the trouble started, walking through the grass.
No, it was once we got to the concrete that we slipped.
Oh yeah, old people. Watch out for the roots. And not the rally roots, but the tree roots. All right, let's see what we got. Ta-da! Some furniture.
I like this house.
Yeah, it's nice. It's newer. Make it 15 today. What model is it? An SLV something. And a Sony disc player with speakers. This is the Holy Grail, folks. Let's look that one up. I'll come right back. And the other one, I put them in hold. That's about what this is worth. I didn't look that up. Alright, always look. If you need power strips, always buy them at the estate sale. Because they're probably $2. Alright. Anybody need some elephants? Hey, it's too early for the roll tide. Lighthouses. Flashlight. I looked this guy up. I'm still on the fence. It's $60, makes it 45 today. That's the wrong remote. That's the right remote, but it's part of the deal. That thing sells for 43 by itself. That's why I'm on the fence, because the remote, this is only worth 30 something. But that adds, but the margins are kind of tight. Notice how they got Tuscaloosa here, but Cal College is gone. That's awesome is what that is. Alright. But always check the bathroom because you never know. I made good money with razors. We got like 4 I need to list. How much is this? 30 bucks. I need an Alabama hat. Alright, we still gotta find the garage, 2 bedrooms.
Where? Which one?
That wall where all that stuff's hanging.
Which room?
In the dining room.
It's an old TV. It doesn't work with today's stuff.
All the stuff on the wall. Oh, in the kitchen.
Insert your rooster chicken joke here.
It's the kitchen stuff.
And they're small.
Alright, there's a keyboard. Generally no money in keyboards.
See the rooster dishes you got too?
I know.
Anybody need a
I was hoping it's corn cabbage.
watch? Here's some coins, Harlan. They're Canadian coins for $1. Harlan is the coin guy. Every now and then around here you find you find military challenge coins. So we'll come around here. Anybody see anything you want? It's green. Alright. Let's find the other bedrooms. Johnny's already in the car, so there must not be anything in the kitchen for her. That's Emma Sampson, class of 49. I had a good friend from college. Shout out to Keith. Keith Jones went to Emma Sampson. Gadsden, Alabama. Alright. Let's find the rest of the house, shall we? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, excuse me. Let's see what they've left in here. I don't think he works too good. You're probably gonna tell me he's worth a fortune. He's definitely worth a fortune. Alright, chicken. Get back up there. Anybody want to train? Just wonder how old these things are.
Just moving things around.
Yeah,
Don't like you think you see double.
Yeah, they don't have price on the phones. You know how much the phones are?
I got $3 a piece.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Alright, so sorry I interrupted in there. Jared called my accountant, so I talked to him for a few minutes. Ended with the VCR, the dual player. We'll talk about them in a few minutes. A camera, and something I hadn't seen before was only $4. So I bought that. So we're gonna go eat some lunch when I get home. I'll show you each item and I'll tell you why I bought them. Alright? We'll see you in a bit. Alright, well it's been a couple days since the estate sale, but let's get into this, finishing this video. So what did I buy at the estate sale? I bought this guy here. It was 20 bucks, 20% off, so maybe 15. It sells for 70 or 80. It is an SLV 490 Sony. If this goes bad, I can get 10 or 12 bucks out of this, so I'm not really worried about it. This is one of the later models, is the reason why. You can tell it's a later model with the DA Pro 4 head on it. That means it's got digital tracking on it. That's when things are starting to go digital, and VCR Plus is in the later models. So that shows you that that is a later model Sony. I will put some comps on it right now. Next up is this. You guys should all recognize these when you see them. This is a Panasonic DMR EZ48V. What is so special about it? All right, there should be three things that when you look at it, you should go, aha. Well, other than the model number. It has this. SD means that if you flip the screen down, you can put an SD card in there. Right there. There's the slot. That's number one. Number two, the word digital tuner should tell you. That means some of the TVs, when they went from the older TVs to newer TVs, didn't have tuners in them. So the players had to have the tuner in order to be able to receive broadcast. And there's one more thing. See the word recording right there? That tells you this sucker is a recording DVD player, which makes it much more expensive than a regular dual player. So I paid $80 for it. I expect it sells from $179 to $229. Depends on how you set it up and how you show it. So I was disappointed it didn't have the remote, but I pick these things up all the time because I know what the remotes look like because I've sold this unit multiple times. There's the remote for it. I had one, so I just went and found it. So that makes this I figured when I buy this that I had a remote for it. So I'll put some HDMI cable. I'll put some cables with it because this one using HDMI or the video cables. I'll put them both in there. I'll put the remote. I'll throw tape in there with it and make a nice presentation picture. Now that the picture area is clean again. So that's the second thing I bought. The third thing, this Canon camera was $7.50. It's not a great score. You guys know my propensity to buy these things. And I didn't even check. Did this one have a memory card in it? A lot of them do. I'll tell you that. This is a nice one because it is a good camera. It's an SX 100. It is remember the rule, if it's over 12 megapixels, it's worth looking at. This is a 14.1. This is a good camera if you want to start a YouTube channel. This one will do very well. Records in HD. Let's see what size memory card. We got an 8 gig memory card, so I'll sell that with it. That'll make it more valuable. I'll just delete it out. It's got the manual with it, so not bad for $7.50. I'll make 10, 15, 20 bucks. I bought this just to watch out here. I don't know why I bought it. Probably because he's my favorite Bond, and it was $1 less, 25%, so it was only 75 cents for, and it's brand new. Hell, I might sell it on eBay, who knows? Or is it opened? I don't know if it's been out or not. I'll have to check. Alright, so here's the wild card right here. The Canon case, they had a Canon case with it, but that's not the case that goes with it. But this thing was $4. It's a Surflink Mini Mobile. I didn't have any idea what it was. There's two parts to it. There's this guy here. They both work. Push to unlock. There you go. I didn't have any clue. Okay, right now, put in the comments, does anybody know what a Surf... Look me in the eye. Do you really know what Surflink is? I do electronics. Didn't have a clue. So what is it? So there was manuals for both of them. It was in a bag for $4. And so what is it? It's some kind of Bluetooth technology for a hearing aid. I don't know exactly what it does, but there's part of it that goes into the little guy here. Each one of these pieces is worth $100. Aren't a lot of them on there. I found them and I'm like, holy crap, this is why you go to estate sales the first day, so even second day, third day. Nobody had a clue what this was. The estate sale company didn't have a clue. MJ's got a good team, but they can't look up everything. It looks innocent enough, and turns out that that's probably worth a couple $100 used. So you can find stuff at estate sales. Just, you got a damn computer in your hands, look it up. That's what I did. I typed in Surflink Mini Mobile. Oops, I typed in SurfLink Mini Mobile, and it came back to this guy. And I took the word mini out of it, and this guy showed up. So very pleased with that. So like I said, I'll put some eBay completes to all these so you guys can see what it is. So thanks for joining Johnny and myself as we went to the second day of an estate sale on Friday. So yeah, sometimes you get very fortunate, because I saw this guy in the pictures, and I'm hoping with that big price tag on it, I'm hoping nobody has gotten it, because I will take a chance on it. And I haven't tested yet. By the time you see this, I will have already tested it, and I'll be able to let you know right now if it works or not. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are great. I hope you've learned something. I hope you've learned something about just, damn, it looked innocent enough, man. That's good money. That's a good Friday, right? All right. We'll see you in the next video. Appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs up on the way out. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, so other people can find this wonderful entertainment, education, personality court, whatever. See you in the next one. Hey, roll tide.